The newly redesigned sheath clamps are designed to facilitate a dual fiber prep method, allowing you to load both fibers into the splicer simultaneously. By holding your fiber in place and gently pressing down on the rear of the sheath clamp, you can easily position the fiber, then close the clamp lid to secure the fiber in place. When using this method, you also have the option to synchronize the sheath clamps with the wind protector's opening or closing motion. Flip the switch on either side of the wind protector to engage and disengage each clamp. When engaged, the clamp opens whenever the lid is open and closes whenever the lid is closed. With the sheath clamps linked to the wind protector, it's crucial to note the inclusion of the secondary fiber retention clamps, a feature previously exclusive to the universal sheath clamps of the 90S Plus. During use, the secondary fiber retention clamps remains closed when the sheath clamp is open. Flip it up and out of the way once the splice is lifted. This keeps your fibers under control, so when you're finished with the splice, you don't need to worry about damaging your unprotected splice. If you're working with 900 micron tight buffer coated fiber, strip off the outer coating in short 1/4-inch pieces. Afterwards, use the smallest hole of the strippers to remove any remaining 250 micron subcoating. If you're using 900 micron loose tube or furcation tubing, you need to swap out the standard sheath clamps with the loose tube compatible sheath clamps, clamp S35B loose buffered sheath clamp. These clamps have a protrusion that securely holds the fiber within the furcation tube, preventing sliding as the splicer handles it. Using the correct sheath clamp with loose tube fiber helps avoid motor overrun errors.